Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the new Kellofaplan X Whimsyluxe Junk Journal Box. So if this sounds like something that interests you, please continue to watch. Alright guys, thank you so much for returning. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm happy to be making another video. First off, let me just address if you hear any beeping or any weird noises in the background. If you remember my last video, I told you 2 houses over, they were installing a pool in their backyard. Well, they're currently out there doing something, and whatever machine they're using, it is beeping, of course, when it backs up. So just try your best to ignore it, and we're gonna push through with this video. So I'm super excited to be unboxing this. Y'all, this was a Mother's Day gift from my hubby, and I'm so excited. Now, I do have to tell y'all, I'm a little scared. I am a little scared, and I said I was gonna get out of my box and try something new. So first, let me tell you about these 2 items that are laying here, and then we'll get them out the way and get this open. So y'all know I'm a mini girl through and through. So I did go ahead and pick up Kellofaplan's new monthly mini budget pack. It's for 12 months, and I just kind of want to make my mini more functional. So I did grab this. It's not anything new. It is over her website. I think it was like $20. So I did grab that, and I think I'm just gonna, every time I order, I'm just gonna grab something else for the mini. But yes, I just added this on because I was placing an order. And then this here, hopefully you guys can see it. It is pretty large. This is the pouch. It does say it isn't trash, it's premium junk. And she was saying that it was supposed to be smaller. Now, I do believe that this launches this upcoming Friday. I am a patron, so I was able to order last week, and it arrived, I think it's this Friday. If it, whatever day it released, I'll go ahead and put it on the screen. But this was supposed to be half the size, and basically what you're supposed to do is put all of the items you're collecting, the junk per se, and put it inside of this pouch. I'm actually kind of glad that it is big. That way I can collect as much as I want before I actually use the junk journal. So that came with the pack. Now I believe this box, if I'm not mistaken, I think this box was like 50 bucks. So I'm excited. I think once before I told you guys that I was interested in junk journaling, but I kind of feel nervous about it. I don't know why. Like, I'm gonna just be honest with you guys. I feel really nervous. Now, y'all are probably gonna laugh at me. I don't really care, whatever. But when I do a spread, for some reason, because I learned how to do spreads in like a happy planner, I'm used to like looking at the sections and knowing like where I want stuff to go. And for some reason, looking at a blank canvas scares me. And an example I was trying to tell my husband about was like, and he's looking at me like I'm crazy, but if I went to like a paint and sip, right? Many of you guys know what that is, where you guys are all kind of painting, everyone in the room is painting kind of the same thing, and you have like a template. I can do a paint and sip. Like, I can paint and it looks like what it's supposed to be. But if you give me a plain, like a blank easel with colors, I don't know what to do. So that's how I feel about junk journaling, but we are going to tackle this together. Sorry for the long intro, but I just kind of wanted you to understand where I'm coming from, and let's get into the box. Let me make sure you guys can see. All right. So initially, she was saying that this whole entire pack should have been wrapped in the paper, but it didn't fit. So they also gave us, it was supposed to, you know, be closed with the sticker here, but because they couldn't, they still gave it to us, and I'm going to use this as, you know, a junk journal piece, maybe even in my first spread. You have the tissue paper. So let me explain everything that's here in the box. First off, you have a, like a glue tape pen. I'm trying to see if I even have like a regular one up here. Basically, it's like a tape runner, but it has glue in it. To glue items down. Y'all see me use it all the time on my channel. Unfortunately, I can't find it at this moment, but it kind of looks like this. I'm used to having the glue that goes like this, but this one is a pen and you can click it like a pen. So it has the glue in here. And basically this kit is supposed to have everything you need in order to make a spread. And they also have included a refill for the pen. So I thought that was cool, and I am excited to use a different type of pen. It comes with a pair of scissors, which I know she has sold these before in the past and in different colors. I just didn't grab one. But basically, let's see if we can figure this out together. Okay, so I thought this was the top. This actually is the top here. And I believe when you take that piece off, it opens, and now you have a pair of scissors. That is super cute. This is actually really cute to like put in your car or like in your purse or travel with it, because you never know when you need a pair of scissors. So it looks like that. This is a clip to hold your journal open. It has a stand on it. They were saying that they really weren't expecting it to come with a stand, but you just basically put this in the spine and it'll just hold it open. So the clip was included. You also get a sticker book. It's an I love sticker. It says I love stickers on the front, and basically it's like a wax paper. So you can just put, you know, any stickers that you want to use in here. I'm actually really excited because as I come across stickers that maybe I want to make a spread, instead of just having a bunch of things laying around, I can just go ahead and stick it on here and then peel it right on up. This actually would be good for someone who's unsure about stickers, or you're having trouble, like when you peel up stickers off a sticker sheet, but you can't line it back up properly if you don't want to use it at that time. So you could put it in something like this. So I'm really excited about this, and I love the blue gingham print that's on the front. They have the washi tape, and this is so cute. Let me see if I can open it. Which end I want to open. The thing I like the most about this washi tape is the red and pink one that's in here. It is a scallop design, and I thought that was really cool. I don't have anything like that here. Sorry, I kind of got stuff everywhere. You have your blue gingham, which matches that notebook that I showed you. Then there's this plaid, which is really cute. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then you have this scallop washi. Let me see if I can show you. So you see what I mean. It is like a scallop design. And I'm like so excited to be using that. So let's put that to the side. Then I'm going to pull the journal out, which I just love how bright and fun this is. Like, I grabbed it because it just seems so fun. And I'm actually going to keep that too and probably use that. So I'm going to put it to the side versus putting it in the trash. And this is the journal. It does say Kellofaplan X Whimsyluxe. It is striped. This actually matches that washi that I was just showing you. So that's actually really cool. The pages they were saying, and I can see it now. This one is bent back. Not only is it bent back, it's cut weird. Yeah, I think this one was a mistake. I can tell right here, it's cut weird. And then this page is way longer at the end, but it's okay. We can just trim those edges and keep it moving. It does have like cream color. Hopefully, if I put it next to the white top, you'll see that it's like a off-white. So that means, like, I do have a lot of stickers that have white, and I feel like you'll be able to see it. So I am happy about that. And then that's the back. So here is the actual journal. Here is the sticker book and the scrap paper. And let me move this out the way so I can show you guys. So let's do the scrap paper first. Now, y'all know I love to tear some scrap paper and glue it down. So I'm excited to have all of these fun designs inside of this book. Like, it's so wild and crazy, and I love it. So they're front and back. So So you have some with like doilies on it. Then you have like the fun stripes. You have polka dots. This one I believe is like black and white. I love this. Then you got your black and white stripes. Bigger polka dots. This one is green. That's cool. I love this. That is so fun. This one kind of reminds me of like wrapping paper, which of course y'all know you can use wrapping paper in your spreads too. Like, I just love all of these. When I saw it, like, I didn't think I was gonna want this box, but when I saw it, I'm like, like, I think I do. So I ordered it, and like I said, I really want to just have fun with it. And you got your kind of coquette type vibes with your bows and yellows, and that is the paper, the scrapbook paper book that comes in there. And then last but not least, you have the sticker book. And y'all know I love stuff like this. If you've ever shopped with me, you know I have sticker sheets that are just like fun like this, and I'm so excited. So this is kind of like a birthday theme. You have your icing and frames and candles. And y'all know I love like more realistic. I have two vibes, right? So I love things that look realistic, like you just took a picture. And then I love things that are like cartoonish. So this is like, this is everything. So we have our ribbons and some buttons. This is all like gold, like lockets and keys and stars. Then you have your silvers. Like, I love how random these items are. This is cool. If you got a passport and luggage and tags, like, I just can't wait to use these things. I love this one. Y'all probably don't know, but I grew up in San Antonio, Texas. So like, I love that. Yeah, I lived in San Antonio before moving to Virginia. So I love that. And y'all, I'm looking at this for the first time too. So if it feels like I'm going slow, it's because I'm taking it all in. Like, I love all these pearls and seashells. Oh, this is so cute. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna bring this one closer. Like, look at how cute that is. These are like quotes. It says, start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. The harder you work, the luckier you get. Life is a beautiful journey. Live in the moment, choose joy. So there's quite a few pieces here. I do love that they're black. Here you have crafting. You have your scissors and paint and glue guns. So that is super cool. You have some little sequins and some beads. This is all food. You got popcorn and donuts and brownies, gummy bears. And I love this sticker. This is one sticker that says snack time. Here you have all the fruit. This is like a celebration. This is giving like New Year's Eve vibes. Your champagne, your disco ball, like your napkin. Love this. Then you have your tea with your little strawberry candies, right? We all know those strawberry candies. Your tea bag. This, I guess, would be like if you're doing it still according to color. So it is kind of a red vibe. This is kind of brown. You have all your coffees and coffee beans. Your checks, which is really cool because you can put these down and like write whatever you want to write on them. You have tickets. Here's a pink vibe. Love this typewriter. That's cute. That looks just like the bullet journal that's in here. Or the journal that's in here. You have your camera, your clip. You've got your reds. Love that. All of your photography things, your film, old school film and cameras. This is cute. I'm trying to see, does this come off? Yes, this middle piece does come off. So if you had a photo in the background and put this over the top, you'd be in the frame. You have like your diner items. Oh, that's cute. The matchbook says, call me. Your toothpicks, your tip. So that's super cute. I'm loving the black vibe. You have book stack here and some photos. I guess this is a brown vibe. I guess the first one would have been coffee. And then this is your brown vibe. And it's all like vintage items, so that's cute. This is fun. Not the tree air freshener. Love that. Ooh, this would be really cute to do like what you're watching type spread. Or like, you know, whatever shows you're hooked or your, you know, favorite shows. That would be really cool. Then there's this page of letters. Then you have plaid. Like the little friendship bracelets and stuff we used to make back in the day. This is really cute. And then there's black. So I'm excited about that. And I've just been kind of thinking about some of the other things that I have. Like, what can I do with them? For Christmas, I got a book, like those ransom note. I think it's like ransom note is the name of it. So I can pull those out and spell things. I've been kind of thinking of like, just for spring break, we went to Ocean City, Maryland for the week. So I'm like, I have pictures that I can print out. Y'all know I have a HP Sprocket, so I can print out stuff. So I'm excited. Now, I am going to warn y'all, because I'm a big scaredy cat, I'm probably going to make the first like 1 or 2 spreads on my own by myself at my turtle slow speed. And then once I feel a little more confident, I will come back on here and we will do spreads together. I will go ahead and sprinkle these in between our regular plan with me's and unboxings. We'll do some spreads here and there. Hopefully this will give you guys some confidence, because if I can do it and I'm shook and scared, then I know you guys can too. So we're going to grow together. Y'all be nice to me when I do make these spreads. Y'all try to help me, you know, pat me on the back. Tell me, keep going, girl. You're doing a good job, because I'm like, this is brand new to me. So like I said, I think this box comes out this Friday, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we're going to try it. And hopefully I'll be coming back soon, showing you what I made or posting it on my Instagram. Of course, you come on over to my Instagram, which is Change of Plans with Angie. You may see them posted over there. So that's all I have for you today. I just want to thank you for coming over and spending some time with me. Don't forget, like I just said, follow me over on Instagram. I am Change of Plans with Angie. Also, you know, hit the button. You can come over there and chat as well. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, while you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can be friends as well. But I just want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.